Bhaktapur Darbar Square, located about 20 km east of Kathmandu in the Kathmandu Valley, Bhaktapur is known as the city of devotes, the city of culture, the living heritage, and Nepal's culture gem. It is one of the three royal cities in the Kathmandu Valley. The others are Kathmandu, the capital of Nepal, and Patan. Lying along the ancient trade route between India and Tibet, Bhaktapur is surrounded by mountains and provides a magnificent view of the Himalayas. Founded in the 12th century by King Ananda Malla, Bhaktapur was the capital city of the Greater Malla Kingdom until the 15th century and was an independent kingdom until the 18th century. The last three Malla rulers of Bhaktapur were Jitamitra Malla, Bhupendra Malla, and Ranjit Malla. These rulers play key roles in building the palace and temples of Darbar Square. In 1744, Prithvinarayan Shah, descendant of Tirappi Shah, who was the founder of the Gorkha dynasty, began a consequent march in the Kathmandu Valley, capturing and unifying Kathmandu, Patan, Bhaktapur, and the smaller towns of the valley under the rule. After a period of instability and a bloody coup in 1846, Jangabahadur Kunwar Ranjali took control of Nepal. Its Rana dynasty ruled Nepal until 1951. When the Congress Party formed a new government in 1960, King Mahendra took control, banned political parties, and instituted land reforms. Political turmoil continued throughout the late 20th century. Bhaktapur is filled with Hindu and Buddhist religious sites and arts. Although the population is primarily Hindu, there are 19 Buddhist monasteries. Bihar at Indraparna Madhavir, built in 1671 and located between Darbar Square and Dattaraya Square, visitor can see two lion statues of Patinga Hiti, tantric wood carved windows, and prayer wheels. Many festivals are celebrated throughout the year to mark the season. Gai Jatra or Cow Festival. This festival focuses on families and bereavement. Every family lost a relative in the past year participate in a procession with a cow or a young boy dressed as a cow. The cow, it is believed, helped the tickets reach heaven. Another one is Biscuit Chatra, the Nepalese New Year celebration in which carriers are pulled through the streets and ultimately a tug of war over them determines who will be blessed with good fortune in the coming year. This celebration is also observed with picnic and other private get together. Bhaktapur is rich in architectural beauty, filled with ancient Hindu and Buddhist religious sites, and palaces and courtyards, where tourists can easily spend days absorbing the tradition culture of the Newar. Bhaktapur has no deluxe hotel but can accommodate tourists in a total of 130 standard rooms throughout the city. Information on where to stay in Bhaktapur is coming soon. Tourists arrive in the Kathmandu Valley through Tribhuvan International Airport. Airlines flying into this airport include Royal Airlines, Airfloat, Biman Bangladesh Airlines, China Southwest Airlines, Drunk Air, Indian Airlines, Pakistan International Airlines, Singapore Airlines, and Thai International. From the airport, which lies 5.5 km east of Kathmandu, one can take taxi or bus or rent a car with a driver. Thank you.